Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel here with Amani, and Amani came in this morning for a hair transplant. Welcome to Natural Transplants.
Thanks for having me.
And I know you're excited.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit of the history of your hair loss and what brought you here to Natural Transplants.
Yeah, so I've probably been struggling with traction alopecia probably for about 15 years now. When I was younger, I used to play a lot of sports. So just to make it easier on my mom, I would wear like a lot of braids, but unfortunately the wear and tear of that kind of wore out my hairline. So now I'm here. Tried everything like scalp massages. I even was getting the Kenalog injections with a dermatologist at one point, and I didn't see any growth from that. So hoping Dr. Siegel can save the day.
Well, we definitely are. We have a large area to work in, but we're going to take out as much tissue as possible, and we're going to start the process, and we'll follow along with you during this course today and through the whole year.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
Okay, thanks.
So here we are. We just went ahead and finished making all the sites, and we're getting ready to place the hair follicles in. And when lunch gets here, we'll take a break. How has your morning been so far?
It's been pretty nice. Chilling like a villain. The worst part is the anesthesia, but other than that, we've just been watching TV, chilling back, laughing, having a good time.
And I agree with you. The anesthesia is by far the worst part. Takes about five minutes, would you say? 5 to 10 minutes. But
Yeah.
once it's in, you don't feel anything the rest of the procedure.
Right, not at all.
And we've got the perfect hairline drawn out for you. So really excited. Covered a huge area today. So let's get started placing, and we'll catch up with you at the end.
Yeah, I'm excited. Thank you.
You're welcome. And I'm back with Amani, and Amani, the day is over. We've had an incredible day. You were an incredible patient.
Thank you.
Tell us about your day.
So the experience was pretty great. Like I said, the worst thing about it is the anesthesia, but that's quick. But the team was really great. They were warm and welcoming, and I was relaxed, and I felt good. I felt great. Just excited for the next couple months of growth.
And we are going to follow along with you over this journey for the whole entire year, and you have my personal number, so please don't ever hesitate to reach out. I look forward to seeing the progression of hair, and we covered a huge area, so I'm excited for you today.
We did. Thank you so much.
It was great working with you. And again, I'm Dr. Harold Siegel with Natural Transplants. Please, if you have any questions regarding hair transplants, please call us here.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our HUE and HUE Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.